Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with stabilizer jacks, heated enclosed underbelly, outside speakers, water heater bypass, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, outside shower, backup camera ready, quad step entry, roof ladder, 5 slides, LED exterior lighting, dual bedroom nightstands, 2 living area sofas, pull-out spray faucet, bathroom toilet, Wi-Fi booster, solid surface kitchen countertops, AM/FM CD DVD Bluetooth stereo system, front living area, bedroom dresser, rear bedroom private entry to outside, ducted AC, stainless double kitchen sink, kitchen pantry, dual lights over headboard, linen cabinet, ball bearing drawer guides, LED interior lighting. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.